Good morning, my dear students. This is the part 2 of chapter 3, playing with numbers. Today we shall discuss the topic perfect numbers. What are perfect numbers? If the sum of all the factors is twice the number, then the number is called a perfect number. Suppose we have a number 6. What are its factors? Its factors are 1, 2, 3 and 6. In our last class, we learned how to find the factors of a number. If we find the factors of 6, we get 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now, add the factors 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 6, which is equal to 12. Now, this sum 12 is 2 into 6. 2 times 6. Therefore, 6 is a perfect number. Now, homework you can do. Check if 14 is a perfect number or not. To find if 14 is a perfect number, what we have to do? We have to find the factors of 14. You find the factors of 14, then add the factors. Second step, multiply 14 with 2, you get 28. Check if the sum of the factors is equal to 28 or not. Step number 5, if both sides are equal, then 14 is a perfect number. So I have given you the hint. Try to solve the homework I have given to you. Next topic is even and odd numbers. The numbers which are exactly divisible by 2 are called even numbers. 2, 4, 8, 10, 6 are even numbers because these numbers are exactly divisible by 6. The number which are not exactly divisible by 2 are odd numbers. 3, 5, 7, 9. These numbers are odd numbers. Even number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So, the last digit of even numbers ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. The odd numbers end with 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Our next topic is prime numbers and composite numbers. What are prime numbers? The natural number which is greater than 1, whose only factor is 1 and the number itself, is called a prime number. So, prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Composite numbers, the numbers having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. A prime number has only 2 factors, but a composite number have more than 2 factors. You have to note that 1 is considered neither a prime number nor a composite number. You have to remember this, that 1 is not a prime number, it is not a composite number also. Now let us do some interesting activity. Let us write the natural numbers starting from 1 to 100. You write the natural numbers starting from 1 to 100, keeping space in between the numbers. So 1, you leave it. 1, you don't just consider it. I have boxed it with green color pen because 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Starting from 2, I circled 2, and then what I do cut all the numbers which are divisible by 2. So, if I divide 4 by 2, there is no remainder. So, exact division. So, 4 I have cut. 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, then 50, 52, 54, 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 72, 74, 76, 78, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, 98 and 100. Next, what I shall do? Next, I shall take the second number 3. I will circle the number 3 and cut all the other digits which are divisible by 3. Divisible by 3 number is 6, then 9, then 12, then 15, then 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57, 60, 63, 66, 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99. Then the next uncut number is 5. So I can cancel out the numbers which are divisible by 5. So if I start with 10, then next number is 15, then 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, then 100. Our next uncut number is 7. So we shall cut the numbers which are divisible by 7. So next divisible number by 7 is 14, 21, then 28, then 35, cut 42, then 49, 56, 63, then 70, then 77, then 84, then 91, then 98. Now next uncut number is 11. 11 is left out. So the numbers which are divisible by 11 in the list is 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88 and 99. I have cut all the numbers which are divisible by 11. Now which number is left uncut? You have to encircle those numbers. I have encircled the numbers which are uncut and make a list. Now I have made a list of all the circle numbers. The numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89 and 97. 2 is the smallest prime number. So this is a list of 25 numbers from 2 to 97. So there are 25 prime numbers starting from 1 to 100. The cut numbers are composite numbers. 4 is the smallest composite number. Co-prime numbers. Any two numbers which have no common factor other than 1 are called co-prime numbers. Any two prime numbers are always co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers need not to be prime numbers. Number 2, twin primes. A pair of prime numbers which differ by 2 are called twin prime numbers. That means if two prime numbers have difference of 2, that is, if I subtract one prime number from another prime number and I get the result 2, then they are called twin prime numbers. So let us check an example. 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So 5 and 3 are twin prime numbers. 11 and 13 are also twin prime numbers. If I subtract 11 from 13, I get 2. So 11 and 13 are twin prime numbers. So your classwork is find all the pairs of twin prime numbers from the list of the prime numbers. You have to check the twin prime numbers from the list of prime numbers. Then the topic is prime triplet. A set of 3 prime numbers differing by 2 is called a prime triplet. I have 3 prime numbers 3, 5 and 7, and the difference between the two prime numbers is 2. If I subtract 3 from 5, I get 2. If I subtract 5 from 7, I get 2. Therefore, 3, 5 and 7 is a prime triplet.